Is your Amazon Fire TV Cube stuck on this choose your language screen and won't let you continue? Don't worry, in this video I will show you a few quick fixes that can help you get past the screen and finish setting up your Fire TV Cube easily. So first the thing, you have to check your remote. So if it's already paired but not working, you just have to reset it first. So for that, you just have to press left, back and the menu button together. So you just have to wait about 10 to 20 seconds until it reset properly. So when the reset complete, you just have to pair it back again. So for that, just press and hold the home button on your Fire TV remote for about 10 to 20 seconds again. So if the remote pairs successfully, the screen should respond and you will be able to continue the setup. But if nothing happens here, try the next fix. Just remove the batteries from the remote and install a fresh set. Then press and hold the home button and play pause button together for about 10 seconds and wait for the pairing process to begin. So once the remote connects, check if you can move past the language section screen. But if you're still stuck, just try restarting your Fire TV Cube. Unplug the power adapter from the power and wait about 60 seconds. Then plug it back in and let it fully restart. So when it starts up again, press and hold the home button for about 10 seconds again to pair the remote one more time. In many cases, this refreshes the connection and gets you past the choose your language screen, and that's it. Hopefully one of these fixes helped your Fire TV Cube move past the setup screen. Thanks for staying tuned with Fixes 9 till then.